The AI cyber war has already started. Everybody's talking about AI, but very few people are talking about what happens when AI meets cyber warfare. Because the truth is, the next global conflict may not start with missiles. It may start with malware. Right now, nations are investing billions into cyber capabilities, not just hacking tools, but AI-powered cyber weapons. Programs that can scan millions of systems, identify weaknesses, and launch attacks faster than any human team ever could. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening, and most people have no idea. Think about everything that runs your country: power grids, water systems, air traffic control, hospitals, financial networks. All of it runs on software, and every piece of software is a potential attack surface. Now imagine an AI system designed to find vulnerabilities across thousands of these systems simultaneously, not in weeks, not in days, but in minutes. That's the scale of the new cyber battlefield. Traditional cyber attacks take time. Hackers research, they test, they probe networks. But AI changes the timeline completely. An AI-driven attack can scan networks automatically, generate exploits, launch attacks simultaneously, adapt if defenses change, all without human delay. That means defenders are now racing against machine speed. But here's the other side of the story. AI isn't just helping attackers. It's helping defenders too. Security teams now use AI to detect unusual behavior, identify anomalies in network traffic, predict potential attacks before they happen. AI can monitor millions of events every second, something no human security team could ever do alone. So the battlefield is changing. Machines are fighting machines, and humans are guiding the strategy. But even in this AI arms race, the weakest link is still the same: humans. A single employee clicking a phishing email can bypass millions of dollars of security infrastructure. One stolen credential can open the door to an entire organization. And once attackers are inside, they move fast, very fast. This is why cybersecurity is becoming one of the most important skills of the modern world. Not just for companies, not just for governments, but for individuals. Because every person today carries something valuable: data, identity, access. And protecting that information is becoming a new form of literacy, just like reading, just like writing, just like math. Cyber awareness is becoming essential. The world is becoming more connected every day. Smart homes, autonomous vehicles, AI assistants, digital payments, cloud infrastructure, all of it expanding, all of it connected. And every connection creates opportunity. Opportunity for innovation, but also opportunity for attack. The question isn't whether cyber attacks will increase. They will. The question is whether we will build a generation prepared to defend the digital world. Because in the AI era, cybersecurity isn't just a career, it's a mission. And the people who step up to protect the digital world will shape the future of civilization. If you found this video valuable, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps these conversations about AI, cybersecurity, and the future going. Let's learn, build, and stay ahead together.